Is your zipper broken? The pros know how to fix it in seconds. I'm a sewing professional, and I'm here to share easy pro tips that everyone can do. So what you're going to do is you're going to start at the base of the zipper, and I'm using upholstery thread here, so it's nice and strong, and we're going to sew essentially a loop using nice big knots that are very trustworthy for the job. Now, the way you're going to place these stitches is you're going to get them as close to the zipper coils as you can, but with still leaving room for the zipper head. And leave a little bit of a loop there for you to tug on with your fork to get this fixed. So we're going to knot this off using a couple of good solid knots. Next, you're going to put the zipper head on one side of the zipper. This part is usually pretty easy as long as the bottom isn't frayed. If the bottom of the zipper tape is frayed, you can just cut it off fresh there, but you just slide it up on the zipper coils. It's a little fidgety, but it's not bad at all. So mentally kind of mark the place where the zipper pull is in line with the zipper tape, and that's how high up you want to go on the opposing piece. Now we're going to put a little snip there. Yes, you can try to get the zipper head up on the base of the zipper tape, but this is so much easier. And I have to repair zippers all the time with my job. I'm telling you, it's a time saver. So with that little gap there, you're going to put the zipper coil, nest it down into the zipper head, and then you're going to get a hold of that loop that you made and give it a tug with the fork. And there it goes. Takes right off. Now we need to finish off the bottom of the zipper. And then I do have one more tip at the end here I'm going to show you that is going to make the zipper work so much more smoothly. So what I'm doing here is I'm sewing a zipper stop. And if you want more details about how to do zipper repairs, my previous video that I released just before this, I'll link to it in the description and in the comments. It had 5 zipper tips, and it also included this: how to sew the zipper stop so that you don't have this problem happen again. So we're going to knot this off, and then we're going to cut off the end of this piece of zipper. That was kind of messed up looking anyways, wasn't it? Now you're going to re-sew the base of the zipper down to the garment. Now this is another hint. In the other video, I was showing how you can use regular bar soap that you use to wash your hands, and you can use that for a zipper lube, but you can also use chapstick. As long as you use it sparingly, you don't want any oils to get on your clothing, but if you gently brush that on the zipper coils, both sides, and just run the zipper back and forth, up and down a few times, the zipper zips so much more smoothly. So not only have you repaired the zipper, but now it zips nice and smooth like the day it was born. I hope this helped you. Please hit subscribe so you don't lose track of me.